country, therefore it is not supposed to be forced every duty on every citizen, but these must be abided by the people of India. The Constitution contains Article 51A as the following. Article 51A, subclause 1. It asks the citizen to respect national flag and national anthem and to compel the Constitution of India. Subclause 2. It obliges the citizen to adore and obey national duty of freedom struggle. Subclause 3. It asks the citizen to maintain integrity, sovereignty and unity of India. Subclause 4. Article 51A says that defend the country and perform its national duty if and when country requires it. Every citizen should maintain a spirit of harmony, brotherhood among all the people of India and renounce offences against women as mentioned under Article 51A, Section E. Article 51A, Section F urges to cherish and preserve the national heritage of our integrated culture. The citizens are supposed to protect and improve the natural environment, including wildlife, forests, and lakes, etc. under Article 51A, Section G. According to Article 51A, Section S, develop scientific temperament, humanism, and research spirit. The citizens, according to Article 51A, Section I, are required to protect all the public goods. The Article 51A, Section K, abides the educational opportunities for all the students aged between 6 to 14 and over, and it also has a responsibility to parents to maintain their child's education. The fundamental duties were added in the Constitution at the time when our Indian democracy was going through a black phase, the emergency. So, it was implemented by a report which was made by a 12-member committee and headed by Swan Singh. The report was taken in consideration and in 1976, this was the duties came in enforcement and this was the 42nd Amendment. The duties which was added into the Constitution were taken from Union Soviet Socialist Republic's Constitution. Article 29(1) of Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948 was also considered to draft the committee's rules. Earlier, there were only 10 fundamental rights. The 11th duty was added in 86th Amendment of the Constitution in 2002. Justice Verma Committee was established and it took the step to make these duties enforceable in every type of educational institute. That's the reason why students